Hello ClickDrawers and welcome to ClickDraw. Today I received the 150 unit Prismacolor Premiere, and I wanted to share with you the unboxing and first impressions. This video will be short, since I will only unbox the Prismacolor Premiere and I will not do a review. Once said this, let's get started. First, we start looking at the box from the front. We see the typical Prismacolor logo and its drawing of the butterfly, although I know that there is another version that comes with a drawing of a flower, but it is not my case. On the back we find the color catalog that comes with this box and some instructions on how to fold it, as well as the Prismacolor logo and more product information in 2 languages. If we open the box we find 6 trays of Prismacolor pencils, and in the foreground the warm colors. All these are the pencils that the box brings. If you want me to draw with these colored pencils, or you just like the video, subscribe and like it, you help me a lot. Okay, this was all for today. If you liked the video, leave your like and subscribe. Good luck, and see you.
Some kind of butterfly.